What up? What up? So I'm scrolling through Facebook and I see that Sonic got these crispy tender wraps. So y'all know me, I gets right up there and see what's going on. I get in line. The lady telling me they don't really got the chicken wraps. She saying that she don't know if they got them because she never heard of them. I'm like, put somebody else on a speaker because I'm sure y'all got them. One barbecue, one cheese. Let me get both of them, please. No funny business. So I end up getting both of the wraps. As you can see right here, the joints was a little bit past terrible. I ain't gonna hold you. The joints was real bad. I probably should have got something else. I give these joints a 4 out of 10. Let's give them a look. Yep, they look just how they taste. A quarter past trash. I swear, I almost forgot to tell y'all.